The rapid mobilization of uniformed men and defense workers places definite responsibilities upon every community. Especially, it is the community's job to guard them from those dangerous diseases, syphilis and gonorrhea, and to combat prostitution and promiscuity, spreaders of these infections. American history reveals that these diseases have always increased in times of national mobilization. During the Mexican War, out of every 1,000 soldiers, 168 were reported sick with venereal diseases. In the Civil War, over 200 out of every 1,000 soldiers became infected. Again, during the Spanish War, the infection rate rose alarmingly. By 1910, American military and civil organizations had begun to take definite steps to reduce the toll of these destroying diseases. On entering the World War, the Army, Navy, and Public Health Service, the medical profession, the American Social Hygiene Association, and other agencies cooperated to achieve the lowest venereal disease rate in history. Even so, syphilis and gonorrhea took from duty for the duration of the war the equivalent of an entire Army division. Enough days were lost to man 9 destroyers, or 6 airplane carriers, for a period of 1 year, an appalling total of more than 7 million days lost to the nation. Today, as we build national defense, this problem confronts us again. For wherever military, naval, or industrial manpower is mobilized, those who seek to exploit men and women for profit also mobilize unless action is taken against them. And chief among the exploiters are those who engage in the vicious prostitution racket. The most deadly and damaging part of this sordid business is organized with cold-blooded cunning and operated with one object only: to make money. Women and girls are sent out, according to carefully laid plans, to brothels, to low cafes and bars, and to the streets, where they spread venereal disease and disorder among those upon whom the defense of the nation depends. Agents, far more dangerous than the women and girls they exploit, take a large part of the money collected in this saddest and most degrading enterprise. Money that accumulates in the war chest of ruthless, scheming gangs that threaten the health and happiness of the nation. Other agents, such as some doormen and certain taxi drivers, solicit customers and approach the boys in uniform wherever and whenever they can. Prostitutes and their exploiters, whether operating in gangs or independently, strike at the very foundation of the nation's strength, its vigorous and healthy youth. For in evil partnership with other vices, dope, drunkenness, gambling, prostitution threatens not only America's sons, but also our daughters, especially thousands of young girls seeking employment.